These are the only trades you need to know about today. We start with number 10, Electronic Arts. The video game maker forecasting fourth quarter sales that fell short of analyst mark after holiday sales made the company, quote, worried about how strong the consumer market really is, as customers are shifting away from home consoles to mobile gaming, all those apps. Dom?
Well, number 9, Betty, is Priceline. The online travel booking company was cut to equal weight at Morgan Stanley, and the analysts there cite an increase in competition as well as higher costs to get new customers. They also lowered their price target $20 to $730 per share, Sheila.
Number 8 is Time Warner Cable. The second largest U.S. cable television operator topped analysts' fourth quarter estimates as the company added 75,000 residential high-speed data subscribers. Now, average sales per consumer is being boosted by a recent wireless modem rental fee, but despite that, the stock is down in the pre-market. Betty?
And at number 7 is Dow Chemical. The largest U.S. chemical maker saw its fourth quarter fall short of Wall Street estimates, dragged down by falling sales in Europe amid an economic slowdown, eroding the benefit of lower raw material costs here in the United States. Sarah?
Number 6 is UPS, the world's largest package delivery company, foreseeing that profit for this year will be a little bit lower than analysts were predicting, as the firm is expecting a weak economy around the world and uncertainty in the U.S. to decrease global demand for shipments. Sheila?
Number 5, WMS Industries. Shares of the gaming and lottery company are up over 50% in the pre-market after Scientific Games, another lottery company, announced it would buy the company for $1.5 billion. This would be the biggest deal in the industry in nearly 2 years. Betty?
And Sheila, you were talking about this earlier. At number 4 is Dunkin Brands. The Dunkin' Donuts operators' fourth quarter revenue and full year earnings estimates both trailed analyst forecasts. However, Dunkin' is heading to the West Coast to try to bolster its revenue with plans to open its first store in California by 2016. Dom?
And we're watching shares of Las Vegas Sands because billionaire Sheldon Adelson's casino is growing faster than expected in Macau as revenue in the Chinese region rose 48% in the fourth quarter, countering sluggish results for the industry in Nevada. And at 3 p.m. today, you're not going to want to miss casino. Steve Wynn on Street Smart. He's sure to sound off on his rival Sheldon Adelson as well. Keep it tuned to Street Smart. Betty?
Okay, at number 2 is BlackBerry. The company formerly known as Research in Motion is lower in the pre-market, extending its 12% decline yesterday as both Credit Suisse and Evercore cut their recommendations to underperform. Shares are down about 25% from their peak yesterday. And the number 1 stock that you want to watch is Facebook. The world's largest social networking company saw a 79% plunge in profit as operating expenses jumped 82%. CEO Mark Zuckerberg isn't stopping there. He's planning to increase expenses even more this year to hire new staff and create new advertising tools.